James Madison said in the 10th article of the Federalist Papers, "Among the numerous advantages promised by a well-constructed union, none deserves to be more accurately developed than its tendency to break and control the violence of faction." The most dangerous thing in democracy, Madison said, is not monarchy, not tyranny, but faction. Faction, the infection of reason by interest, where policy bends not to principle, but to the fever dreams of tribal allegiance, where truth is irrelevant, where unity is heresy, where winning is worth burning the whole thing down. Madison wrote in Warning, "We built in worship. We didn't just allow factions. We elevated them, sanctified them, red and blue altars at which the nation now prays. We wear ideology like armor and we speak in slogans. We celebrate our ignorance if it insults the other side." This was the very outcome Madison called the violence of faction. "The public good is disregarded in the conflicts of rival parties," he wrote. Sound familiar? Legislation today isn't written for citizens. It's written for base reactions, headlines, outrage fuel, votes harvested through fear. No one reads the bills, no one weighs the outcomes, because it was never about the public good. It was about owning the other team. And in that performance, we lose everything. We now mistake faction for freedom. We think choosing between Pepsi and Coke means we're free, never noticing that the water underneath both is poison. We used to elect representatives. Now we elect influencers with clearance. And when someone dares speak across party lines, when they appeal to principle instead of party, they are branded a traitor by both sides. This is not democracy. This is secretarianism in a suit. It's what Madison saw destroy every republic before ours. And he knew it would come for us too. So what did he propose? He didn't say abolish factions, that's impossible. He said build a system that controls their violence. One where ambition is checked by structure, where a broad, diverse union of voices would dilute radicalism. But we narrowed it. We gerrymandered it. We algorithmized it. We created echo chambers with megaphones and called it freedom of speech. He said, extend the sphere. We shrank it. He said, guard against majority passion. We monetized it. He said, build a system of representation so strong to resist mob rule. We handed mob rule a hashtag and let it legislate policy. Here's the truth. The founders did not fear dictatorship. They feared democracy unmoored from reason. They knew that when everyone screams, the tyrant doesn't need to speak. He just listens and offers a shortcut. We've already seen that shortcut. It's happened on the left. It's happened on the right. In the name of progress, in the name of tradition, and always at the expense of the republic. So what do? We do what Madison begged us to do. Rebuild a structure strong enough to absorb disagreement without collapsing into hatred. We create a third sphere beyond faction where truth, transparency, and function sit above team. We replace viral outrage with visible governance. We restore the public good as the goal, not the casualty. Faction is inevitable, but if we continue to let it write the laws, fund the campaigns, speak for the people, and burn every bridge to consensus, then we are not a republic. We are a mob with branding. Faction is fire. We were meant to contain it. Instead, we let it consume the house. But it's not too late to rebuild. Not if we remember who gave us the warning and what it would take to finally listen.